back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla Lashae. For those of you guys that are new, hopefully you guys go ahead and join the doll family by subscribing and hitting the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. So today I thought it'd be fun to go back in time, okay, and recreate some old videos that I loved doing so much. So I'm gonna take it all the way back to what's in my bag. What's in my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. This is a really good size. It's my pride and joy. I think I purchased this bag back in 2012 and it's still in amazing condition. When you invest your money in key essential pieces that are gonna last, they are gonna last. The patina on the handles is just unbelievable, especially being that I use this bag religiously. I don't baby it at all. I toss it around all the time. I have lotion on when I'm touching the handles, which is why they're actually pretty dark in the inside of the handles here. If you guys are looking to invest in this bag, I highly recommend that you guys snatch it sooner than later. I remember buying this bag under $1,000. I wanna say I paid somewhere around $600, $700, but throughout the years, a couple times during the year, Louis Vuitton likes to do price increases on everything, which is why the value of the bags and their accessories and everything that they have goes up in price. So you're able to sell back your items if you no longer want to use them or you get sick of them, and you can get money back, and even sometimes you can make more than what you spent on the items. But that's not the case with me. I would never sell this baby. I'm probably going to pass it down to my firstborn child, male or female. We don't judge here. So I just thought I would give an update on this bag and how it's been wearing and how it's been holding up. It is just so beautiful, and I still continue to carry this bag almost every single day. It's on my rotation. It is one of those just iconic pieces that I think everybody needs in their life. And I'm so happy that I have this in my life. I remember just thinking in school, like, oh, I really want that bag. I want that bag. I'm gonna get that bag. And then I got the bag, and it's just been like one thing that I've never been sick of. Do I know what's in here? Not really, because I throw stuff in it constantly. I'm always in and out of bags, switching them around, throwing receipts and just like nonsense in there. So let's take a peek. Also, let me just tell you, these zippers are the best zippers on the market. They are so smooth and buttery. Listen to this. I did take off the padlock that actually sits on this little tab here, and I put it on another Louis Vuitton bag so I could finesse it into a fanny pack. And I did a vlog on that when I was in Las Vegas, so if I can find it, I will link it down below so you guys can check that out for anyone who has the Louis Vuitton Ava clutch and you want to know how to turn it into a fanny pack. I use that as a little hack. Honestly, I forget that it's on this bag anyway, that it doesn't bother me that it's not here. So inside the bag, it's literally a big pit, and the only pocket that you have is this pocket on this side. It's a pretty small size. Don't get confused. You can fit so much stuff in there. I've shoved millions of things in this little pocket, but right now I just have some Palo Santo. I take this stuff with me everywhere. I use it in my meditations, and this is just a blend of distilled water and Palo Santo. I get it from a cute little shop here in LA. Have you ever ran into someone in the streets, or you're checking out at the market and they're just in a really bad mood, and you find yourself leaving in a bad mood, like you got their energy? That's why I have this, because you never know who you're gonna run into. You wanna cleanse your aura, you wanna keep those positive vibes going and just running through your body so you can be the best you that you can. So I like to spray my bracelets, like my crystal bracelets, with Palo Santo. I'll spray myself during meditation with it. That's why I have this in my bag at the moment. And the only other thing I have in that little pocket is a green aventurine crystal. This is so nice. I love crystals. I wear them as bracelets and necklaces. I have them in stones that I use for meditation. I have them for home decor. I carry them around with me. I sleep with them under my pillow. So for me, it's just like a part of my life for the past 3 years or so now. And green aventurine is just really good at like bringing you good fortune and making sure that you're always in the right place at the right time, that sort of thing. It's also corresponding to your heart chakra, so it's great for sending love and receiving love. Let's move on to everything else because it's just a big mess. The first thing I have in my bag of mess is my phone. So I will leave this little combo that I have, a cute little pop socket. This thing has changed my life. I no longer drop my phone on my face. So I highly recommend you guys get one of these. And then I just have a clear case case over the top of my phone to protect it, and it just looks super simple and fun. So I'll leave these linked down below. Got them off of Amazon. Love it so much. The next thing I have is food, because who leaves their house without food to munch on? I get hungry so often, and I'm a snacker. I'm a muncher. I'm a cruncher. I love salty things. So I have a whole bag of almonds in here. Like, why have a little snack pack when you can just have the whole bag? So I get mine from Trader Joe's, and these are just the 50% less salt. Or you know when you have to go to the grocery store, but you know you shouldn't go to the market on an empty stomach because then you'll buy the whole place? This is why snacks are great. Headphones. I love these for the gym. That's why they're in my bag, because I was going on a hike. So I just threw these in my purse and I was good to go. These have a really good bass, and they're really good at blocking out noise around you. So if you have trouble focusing in the gym because you hear everyone else, or you hear the machines going, or someone breathing really hard, these are really great to have. Just anything that kind of goes over the ear. I like these better than the earbuds that will go in your ear. So I just keep these in my bag. I don't know where the case is. I should probably go find that. We also have my sunglasses. I always keep them in their case because I don't want the lenses to get scratched. And most of the time, almost all of the time, when you guys see me in the vlogs, I have Key sunglasses, and actually got these off of Misguided. I believe they have their own collection over there in collaboration with Key, because I don't see these on the actual Key website. So go snatch them. These are fresh. We love these. They're super fun. They're cute for nighttime too, if you want to be like that girl that wears sunglasses at night. That's me sometimes, don't judge. But they're also great because the sun here is insane when it likes to set, so we have to have glasses everywhere we go. These are just really cute, so I really like these. I hauled these in my festival haul from Misguided, and they're called Rumors. I think we're about halfway through the bag. So I attached my wallet and my keys together like this. It's not the cutest thing ever, but it is so practical, because you know what? When I walk the dog, I have everything that I need in my hands. If I have to run into the store really quick, I have everything that I need. Have to go to the mailbox, I have everything that I need. So I have the Louis Vuitton clay in the Monogram canvas. Again, this is something that I purchased a long time ago, and I use it every day. I use my keys every day. I throw this thing around so much, and it looks like perfect condition. And then I also have a Louis Vuitton Monogram 4-ring key holder. I do have an unboxing on this. It needs to be cleaned because, again, this is something that I use every day, but I love the orange inside. I was just so obsessed with this that I went on a hunt to find this. There's like this secret little pocket under here, and it holds my P.O. box, my house key, my mailbox key. My car key's a little too big because I drive a Jeep, so well, I don't think anyone's car key would fit in here unless you had the 6-ring key holder, but that's too big for me. So I just leave it hanging out, and I attached it with the clasp of the clay. So that's my favorite combination, and it's something I use every day. These are really good items to buy if you guys want to start buying luxury, because they're not so expensive for the luxury sort of world, and there's something that you're going to use every day, so you're going to get your money's worth out of it, and it's going to be quality. You won't have to replace them. So I highly recommend that you guys get these. And also for my wallet, I don't carry like cash on me typically unless it's a couple of bills to tip and stuff, but for the most part I just have cards. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is my portable charger. I don't always have this one. I have many of these. When you work in social media, having a charged phone is blessed, okay? When my phone reaches 90%, I panic. So I have these all over the place. I have them in my car, and I love this because it's so cute. It has a little clip on it, so you can kind of attach it to your bag if you wanted, but I never do that. I just toss it inside. But the most important thing is this little thing here, okay? This is just a typical basic Apple USB adapter to charge your phone, but they make them in the mini sizes, so you don't have this long cord sticking out of your bag, or if you're going out at nighttime and you want to have a charger with you, you don't have this long cord sticking out of your clutch, you know? So I definitely recommend you guys pick up one of these mini short cords for on-the-go purposes. I'll leave this link down below, as well as this. This is so fun because it's a little fur ball. Ooh, I need to charge it. Wow, we only have 1 dot left. That's not good. That's really not good. Just wants his belly rubbed. I also, of course, never leave my house without my camera. So I do daily vlogs and stuff pretty often. I take you guys out and about with me to the gym, to the grocery store, around LA. So this is what we use to vlog. I love this camera so much because I'm able to see everything that you guys will see. So I know when I'm in focus, I know when the lighting looks nice, and this is just the Canon the PowerShot G7X Mark II. And before this camera, I was using the original one, but I love this one so much, you guys. And if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, this is the camera to get. I do carry around fragrance with me because, again, like, I like to smell nice. I like to feel cute, and when I smell good, I just feel cute. So I have in my bag the Louis Vuitton Rose de Vence fragrance. Now, I do have a whole video review on this and an unboxing so you guys can see the packaging and everything that it comes in. It's such nice packaging. Like, that's why I love luxury, because everything is just presented so nice that it's like a gift to yourself. But this stuff is so strong. Honestly, one spray is plenty for the entire day and you will still smell it the next day. More info on the Louis Vuitton fragrance is in the down bar if you guys want to know all the tea on it. But the last thing I have is like this little pouch. It's kind of just like a little catch-all. I don't like to have a bunch of little things at the bottom of my bag because I'm afraid that it will spill out somewhere or I won't be able to find it. I don't like digging around finding things. But my bag is empty. But this little pouch is so cute. It was sent to me through PR from Jouer Cosmetics with some of their foundations. So it has this really pretty like rose paint on it. And it's like the perfect little size. So I'll show you guys what I keep in here really quickly. I just have some lotion because we don't like to be dry. I did steal this from the Encore Hotel. If you guys go to Vegas, why do I keep talking about Vegas for some reason? Go to the hotel and steal the lotion because it smells blessed. Mints, okay, can never leave the house without that. I do keep a face powder in here, although recently I haven't been reaching for this. And you know why? It's because I use a bomb foundation that lasts for 14 hours. It's the Peach Matte Foundation from Too Faced, so shout out to them for the 14-hour wear. What is this? Smooth Finish Foundation Powder in number 8 from Laura Mercier. It's nice too because it has a mirror on it, so I'm able to see what I need to do, and then I keep a little puff here in the bottom. I also always have my lip color that I'm wearing for that day, so of course this changes on the regular. So what I did today was I used my MAC Strip Down pencil to line my lips, and then I filled it in with my trusty Makeup Forever Artist Matte Liquid Lip in the number 103. Since these have come out, literally this has been my everyday color, so I feel like it's my signature. The formula is flawless. I need them to expand the collection and bring out some more nudes, please. You know what? I lose my bobby pins all the time, and this is why, because I find them in random places. I also have a perfume here from Scentbird. So this one is Be Delicious. I threw this in here because I was leaving the gym. So these are great for travel. I think I still have an active code for you guys, so I'll leave that down below. But this is a really good night fragrance, but also for daytime. You just never know where you're gonna go, and I feel like, for me at least, I'm all about like moods, and my fragrances, they have to be aligned. So that's why I like to have options. But that is everything that's in this little pouch. She's so light now. But what I love about this is when I store it, let me show you, you can fold it down. So you flip it upside down and you press the two sides in. And then you zip this closed. And she's ready to be stored. So you can pop the dust bag over the top, of course, and you can store your bag flat. That's what I always do when I'm not using it. I have a soft spot for this bag because it was my first big girl fashion purchase. That is everything that is in my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 and the Monogram canvas. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely wanted to come through and do an updated on my bag because I love it, and it's just really nice to see the wear and tear because it is an investment. You know, you want to see, does that thing really hold up for X amount of years? Yes, it does, which is why everyone loves luxury and Louis Vuitton so much. I want to know in the comments down below what you guys have in your bag. You don't have to tell me everything. You can just leave your top 3 favorites at the moment in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on the channel, and it lets me know that you guys like stuff like this. And of course, you can't leave the video without subscribing, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell to get a post notification every time your girl uploads. And until next time, I will catch you in my next video.